clinical officers are protesting in Nairobi CBD. They want a few things to be implemented by the government. Number one, they want clinical interns to be posted. Number two, they want universal health coverage staff to be absorbed on permanent and pensionable terms. And they have also been excluded from SHA and they want to be included. And they also want the return to work formula to be implemented.
We tell the Ministry of Health, the Cabinet Secretary, there's a reason why we are saying that we must address them and they must solve all your challenges. We are telling the President of the Republic of Kenya that the people that you are seeing here, these are the true hustlers. These are the people who are providing services to Kenyan citizens. We can never. Somebody wants to intentionally steal your money. Somebody wants to intentionally defraud your money. Somebody wants to intentionally pilfer your money. And therefore, this is the right place for you to bring your grievances. We can never treat the UHC staff with contempt. We must respect these comrades. These comrades sat in class for many years. They sat in class for many years, more than even the Cabinet Secretary. We are demanding that after your confirmation, your salary must also be increased. Now, fee that has not been paid must be facilitated very fast for 5 years. The only secret for the UHC staff that will make you get your money is to never stop demonstrating. I want to encourage you that you must demonstrate in the morning, you must protest in the afternoon, and you must protest in the evening. And you must protest daily until you are paid. You must protest daily. You must protest daily until you are confirmed. The only language that the government will listen to is the language of violence. Huyu mwanaume ni mrembo anapiga nini? Asanteni sana. Let this go on a daily basis. Get proper results.